Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 1. Solve the following linear equations. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Let us solve. Here you see the question number 1 is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. On transposing x by 3 on transposing x by 3 to left hand side and minus 1 by 5 to right hand side, we get that is x by 2 or x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, or you take the LCM as 6, that is 3x minus 2x. Here if you take the LCM is before 5 is 20, LCM is 20, that is 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, or 3x minus 2 is x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9 by 20. Multiplying both sides by 6 we get, multiplying both sides by 6 we get, multiplying both sides by 6 we get x by 6 into 6, that is x, or x is equal to 9 by 20, 9 by 20 into 6. If we divide it by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 10 is 20, or the value of x is equal to 3 9 is 27 by 10. This is the answer. Therefore, the value of x here is 27 by 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.